Welcome back to Melodica with Mr. Wright. Today we are going to learn a classic round called Dona, nobis, pacem. It is one of the world's most famous melodies. It's used all over the world, and what's great about it is it makes amazing harmony once you learn the melody. There's three parts to it. If you want to just learn the first part today and just keep repeating that, that's great, but I'm also going to teach you the notes of part 2 and 3. We're going to learn all the notes in the keyboard. It will really help for you to know the names of notes. So let's just start by reviewing the names of notes here on our melodica. All right, so here is our C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. There's our octave. Okay, this particular song starts on an F. We're going to start right here. We're not going to use that. There's that low F. We're going to start an octave above that. So it's going to be F, C, then A. I would finger it like this, F, C, A. And then next it'll be G, C, B. So maybe G, C, and B flat. So is our next note. So B flat, not B here, the white note, but B flat, the next note. So F, C, A, G, C, B flat, A, G, F, F, E. Okay, I will send you a link. I will send you a link with this recording on it. We are going to start here about 3/4 speed, and then maybe eventually move up to full speed. Okay, and then I might include another link or something for the sheet music. We'll see if I get that done or not. But definitely, this is a great recording, and this you can play this along not just with yourself, but you can play with singers. Anyone who plays a melody instrument, and again, it makes its own harmony with the melody. So really super easy to learn, but also really easy to make harmony with others doing this one. Okay, so let's review those beginning notes again. So we're starting on the F. So F, C, A, then G, C, B flat, and then A, G, F, F, E, and that's probably the best way to figure it. A, G, F, F, E. Then I'm going to stretch up to this D note between the two black notes there, D, and then it's going to walk down. The walk down, I like to call it D, C, B flat, A, G, and that's a 5-finger walk down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. D, C, B flat, A, G. Okay. And then it's going to finish with the C, B flat, A, G, F, E, F. So C here, C, B flat, A, repeat the A, G, F, and you could maybe walk it over E, and then F, something like that, okay, or E, F, E, back to F. That fingering would work fine as well. Okay, so you're really starting this 5-finger pattern from the C note right here. C, B flat, C, B flat, A, G, F, E, F, and that's our beginning. Let's play along with it, shall we? Starting on our F note. To the D. There it is. Now, the next part, here's the melody we just played. So if you just want to learn that one melody part, you simply can play the lower line and it's exactly the same as what you just played. Great, awesome. Okay, if you want the extra challenge, you can play to the upper notes. Now this one is actually even a little easier. So go to that high C, not the one way up, but right here. Here's our key note. I'm sorry, there it is. C. So C, 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 B flat, A, G, and then D, D twice. D is twice. D, D, C, 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 B flat, A, G, F, and you're going to have to cross over there down to the F. Let's play that melody together. Here we go. Now, then it goes to 3 parts. You can hear all 3 parts of the round. If, again, you can just play that first part and repeat that, awesome. Or you can play the second part as well. That second part we just played is the middle line here, and now it's going to add a third part up here. They listed as part 1, I think, here in this, but this upper part is a new melody, okay? Not any harder than the first one. In fact, the first one's probably the hardest one of the 3. So F, E. So it's going to be this F right here, F, and then E, and then F walking up 5 notes. So I would put your thumb on the F, F, G, A, B flat, C, those 5 notes. Let's do that again. F, G, A, B flat, C, and then drop the octave. Okay, C, and then B flat twice, A twice, and then we have the C chord, an arpeggio, E, G, C, octave C to the F. Can we see it at the end? There we go. Now we can see the end of that melody. Let's take it from the E right there, right here on our keyboard. One more time. I'm sorry. So my apologies. Sometimes this keyboard, the size of the keys is a little smaller than the piano, so sometimes I overstretch and I play the wrong notes. So my apologies for that. Okay, everybody. Okay, all right. So let's play along with that melody, starting here, F, E, F. All right, I'm gonna start right there in that note. Here we go. Okay, so what's great, I mean, this melody sounds great just by itself, if it's just you. Okay, and a lot of times at the end of a phrase, if you want to get fancier even, you can add an F chord instead of just a note. Okay, so little extra things. Okay, so we're going to go back to, we're about 15 seconds here in, and we're going to go back to the beginning, and I am going to do the whole thing at 3/4 speed, and I will let you at another time click on this video and play at full speed when your skills are a little bit better. All right, so we're going to do the whole thing. We're going to play the top line in each measure, and forgive me if I make a mistake. I am getting better as you are. Okay, let's have some fun here from the beginning, starting on our F note right there. All right, here we go. great job this week. Dona nobis, okay? Enjoy our wonderful instrument, the melodica, okay? Have a great week, everyone. Take care of each other.